Good afternoon, everyone. Today on the bench we have this Aiwa HS-P202 MK3. This one was sent from one of our customers to repair it. So basically, like what I can see, that we have lots of dust inside, and ooh, that capstan looks crunchy. You know what I mean here. Well, let's maybe try it first of all, yeah. Okay. And headphones. We need testing tape. Where are you? There you are. Okay. No life at all. Absolutely. Yeah. Oh. Oh, we have some sound. Okay, we have a sound. And sound is not bad, but I think that still we will have to change those caps, and I see a little bit of corrosion right over here, but we will solve this. It's not an issue. So let's start. Let's disassemble the device and we will see what we will find inside. Let's remove those switches. Okay, so let's remove the PCB. Okay, and now the board is free and we can do a little investigation. Okay, so capacitors are still not leaked. Well, I spoke too soon. I see some leakage right over here. Yeah, so they just started to do that. Okay, let's unsolder those wires. Okay, what about the belt? Belt looks a bit too sad. But now let's focus on that part. Okay, so let's remove all capacitors. I can already smell electrolyte. So we have some corrosion right over here, but it's nothing major, as I have repaired it in my earlier videos. So this I think will be something like going for a walk in the park. We basically just do a bit of cleaning, and then that's it right over here, because there is nothing major. We have removed. We will have to clean it. How much Q-tips I consume a day or for one device? I do not know, but I think a lot. Good. So I think board is prepared for new capacitors. So in the next episode we will solder all new caps. Okay, so let's start soldering. Well, let's maybe begin from these. Maybe I'll put those a bit later. You know, right now, let's fix this one. Okay, so all caps replaced with the new ones. So right now, let's not forget to do treatment for the switches. Those switches actually much more rigid than those that were used in other devices. That's it with the board. Right now, Let's see, what do we have right here. Okay, so belt is stretched. Let me find the correct one and I'll be back. Okay, so I have found the belt, correct one. Right now let's do basic service for this tip transport. So capstans, motor and other parts. So I think we can start soldering everything back. Okay, so let's put back the board. This is not necessary stuff. So let's remove it. And also it can get loose and then do some crazy stuff inside. Okay, so where to start? Maybe let's start by soldering head. Now I'm gonna solder those wires. everything is soldered down correctly. About these wires then, to put those back. And let's check the device. Okay, so I think let's continue. Let's put everything back together. This lever should be in between those plastic. Now, from what I see, I think that device is a bit bent, but this can be just because of the shipping. That's a strange sound. And I think I know why. Let's remove again this back plate. Okay, let me investigate and I'll be back. Okay, so I have found out that this is photo sensor that is scrubbing against that clutch wheel, yeah. So I have added one spacer because it was too loose, and I think it should be fine right now. Yeah, because every time you want to remove the PCB, you have to undo this part. And this is not funny at all. Maybe it was mashed in the shipping process, and because of this we have had that nonsense. I would not understand that from this standpoint. Let's see if we still have the same noise. No, we don't. Right now, let's clean those capstans. Look at that. How dirty it is. Okay, we started to see rubber. So this is actually very good. I would say that this one is clean already. We're starting to see black stuff. This means rubber kicking. So this is a good sign. This means that we are very close. Okay, steady 38, 35. Back tension is about 5 to 4. Other direction, we have the same, 35 and up, and back tension is about 5. Okay, so this is what I have achieved. And wow and flutter is not bad at all. Maybe let's do it like that. So that's it regarding wow and flutter. Next we will do dolby levels. So till then. So this is the end result of the wow and flutter. So this is forward direction. Now let's put it into rewind direction, and in rewind direction this is what we get. So it's around 0.3, 0.28 and something in that range. So I think that is much better results than we had in the first place. So I've managed to maximize device's performance, and also we lost about 0.12% of the wow and flutter. So I think this is very great result. Okay, right now let's do dolby levels. Okay, so ground, and first let's do left channel. Let's to like 95, 96. Then right channel. Okay. Other direction. 87, so we are a bit low. Let's gain a bit until 90. Like that. And left channel is also a bit weak. Good. Here we have here. And come on. Okay. So this is in spec actually for both directions right now. Okay, so azimuth is checked, so let's clean a bit inside all the fingerprints that we left. And we will close the device. And of course, let's not forget one very critical thing. Let's demagnetize the head. Okay, mechanism is very quiet. Let's remove that coating that was left by mine cassettes. Okay. That's it. Let's close the device. And let's not forget one very critical thing is to lock the azimuth in place. Now about those. Let's see. Let's look where is the actual problem. Let me try mine that I have. If we still have the same issue. No, we do not. And it is not doing any crazy stuff, as you can see. See? See? I'm doing wiggle and it is fine. Okay. So this means we have issue with cartridge. Okay, let's investigate it a bit. Right over here we have corrosion. Just like that, and let's put this, okay, like that. Okay. And wiggle wobble, no more problems, my friends. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, in this case, let's do final testing. Let's grab the headphones. Let's turn off all the other direction. Awesome. Rewind. Fast forward. Everything works just fine. So this will be it regarding this nice Aiwa HS-P202 MK3. This was quite a challenging in a few parts device because of the belt and so on and so forth, but in the end we have perfectly working device. So I think the customer will be very happy about that. So this is it. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.